Let's see how this is. French roast. Mmm. So we rushed to get ready this morning because our family is coming to see us, and then we found out that they're not staying 20 minutes away. They're staying 20 minutes away tonight. They're staying an hour away, so we had an hour, and we thought we had 20 minutes. So, which I guess that's good. That means I can charge everything up. I can make sure my drone batteries are charged up. Take that with us. Yeah, make sure my phone's all charged. So, good morning. It's great to see your smiling face.
By the way, it's probably going to be really busy.
Oh yeah, we're totally going to Home Depot.
Everyone thinks it's
not Chick-fil-A.
Actually, we ordered.
Oh, look at that beautiful place. Oh, yes. Hey, look, we can get a sale on paint, too, at Chick-fil-A. Yum.
Nice.
I hope it's lead-based.
That's my favorite.
Or two.
Thank you for your love and hospitality, Chick-fil-A. We shall see you later again on the other side. All right, time for phase 2 of the family-ing, and that shall be the Pike Street Lanes of bowling to the indoors.
Recording the first ones because you haven't thrown a bowling ball in so long, you know? That's like 14 pages to it.
Yeah.
That has been robbed and pretty much mugged and is laying half dead on the side of the street, and a priest comes by and does what? He crosses the road, goes over there, oh, I don't have time, I'm busy, I've got, I don't have time for this guy. And you think a priest, well, he would definitely have time for someone that's down on their luck. And so second guy, and you can imagine the guy is probably, if you've ever been down and out.
I think we sometimes have that approach to a lot of things. We're given something good, something wonderful. But because it's not the way we envisioned it or the way we want it, it upsets us.
It's really cool.
So church is over, evening's over. We went from Bible study to dinner at our house to church. Now we're heading home for the night, so
It's been an interesting day.
Living the dream. Got me some vanilla wafers. A nice glass suitable for dunking. And lactose-free milk so that my tummy doesn't get upset. Yay, perfection. And talk about a midnight snack. Gotta get it just right, nice and soft. Nom, nom, nom.